So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to reply TikTok comment with a video. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your TikTok application, and then from here you can find out the comment. It could be your own videos comment, it could be any other TikToker's videos comment. So after finding that comment like this, I have specified this comment to be replied with a video. So I will long press on this comment and I have to find out the reply with video comment option. So here is the option. So you need to find out this by long pressing on that comment like this, and then simply select this one. If you don't find this option, you need to go to your Play Store and update the TikTok application. Then you will probably find it. And again, if you have the latest TikTok version in your mobile phone but you are not getting this option, then you need to go to your own profile and log into your TikTok account first if you haven't signed in yet. Alright, so right after that, I have shown you how to reply TikTok comment with a video. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.